this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and this is 12 Days of Christmas. We are on day 3, which is Snowman. I've already made a boy. Now I'm going to make a girl. So I'm going to leave him off to the side so I can still see him. I have got this pink, which is by Beatles. It is number 279. For the boy, I used 282. Black and white are from Diva in a Bottle. The rest are Beatles. So I'm going to take my white. Put me some snow on the bottom of the nail here. I need it opaque. So we're going to pop this in the lamp. Whoa, Nelly. Give this a cure. Off to the side here, I've got my dish with, I'm going to use these for their buttons, and she's going to have a bow. He don't have a bow because he's just a dude, you know. Hope everybody's having a great December so far. This is December 3rd. 12 Days of Christmas. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell. Click always. That way you get notified of all future videos, all uploads, everything that I'm doing. So yeah, do that please. I'd greatly appreciate it. I don't want you to get lost in the hustle and the bustle of YouTube during the month of December. I have a lot of products, a lot of videos coming out, I mean. Maybe shut this off. So yeah, I just want you to be, you know, aware of what's going on. So there's going to be a lot of videos. I got the advent calendar going on too at the same time as this is the 12 Days of Christmas. This will end on December 12th. Ooh-wee. And then I will start. I know there's 2 videos a day, and I'm hoping everybody's getting to see both. I know it's hard. You're watching everybody, and I greatly appreciate your support and your presence. I really, really do. Don't forget to check out Pumpkin's Nail Station. She is doing with me the 12 Days of Christmas. Her link will be pinned down in the comments below as well as in the description box. So don't forget to check her out, subscribe, and leave her a comment that you were there. Leave me a comment here so I know you were, you know, front and center and present. I greatly appreciate that. You can do the hashtag notification squad. Wish me a Merry Christmas. Just let me know that you came through. I'd greatly appreciate it. See what else can I tell you. We have got a lot more days to come, and I'm so excited about it. So excited. So, wish every one of you a Merry Christmas. Thank you for being here with me. My nails should be almost done. And there's going to be a lot of back and forth where I'm sticking it for a flash cure. So I just want you to be aware of that now. I'm not going to keep pausing and pausing and pausing, because that's just too much. We'll just do a flash cure here and there when we need to. Whoops. Whoopsie. So I'm going to go in with my palette, get me my white, and start on making our snowman, snow woman, our snow woman. You can make your snowballs as big or as small as you want. Looky, looky, she's coming. We're getting her body built. Okay, what do you think of this so far? We got our 3 pieces of her body. We got the snow down below. We're going to stick that in for a cure. And I have a tissue next to me. I could, should, and, you know, get up and get a lint-free wipe, but these are right here. So after this comes out, we will start with the eyes. We got our buttons. Those will go on very last. Oh, when it comes out, what I will be doing is going in with a coat of Shoppe Modern Glue Gel. And then I'm going to add, just on the snow, and the snowman, snowwoman, the blue-green fairy translucent glitter. And I think this is just beautiful. I don't know if you can see the twinkle, the sparkle, but it's beautiful. This is one of their older products. I'm not positive. I don't think they carry this anymore. I'm not 100%. I should have checked that out, but I didn't. Very sorry about that. Sorry, I had to get a drink. I was parched. I was parched. So we're giving this a full cure because of the thickness of the white polish, the gel. Don't want no wrinkling, because white will wrinkle too. I've had it happen. I've had it happen. Usually, I've never heard of anybody else getting the white to wrinkle, but usually it's just black. But, you know, it happens. Okay, we are back out of the lamp. Okay, we are good to go. I'm now going to put the glue gel on. Then we're going to stick this back on the lamp again. Sorry about all the back and forth, but I warned you how it's going to be, and I hope that you'll stay with me and not, you know, take off or skip forward. I'd like you to see the steps that I take. Everybody's different, but this is just mine. So you know. What are you guys doing for Christmas? Anything special? I mean, I know COVID's going on, so you can't be doing too much. With us, it's me, my son, and my mother. The rest of the family is celebrating at their own homesteads. And this really has changed everything, hasn't it? I mean, look at Thanksgiving. You couldn't mingle. You couldn't have the whole family together. And that, I have to say, really sucked. We have, once we're together, we have between, you know, my nieces, my nephews, my brother and them, they live far away, so they really don't come down much. But the ones of those that live close, we will all congregate at my house. I've got the biggest. And, you know, there's a lot of little kids. And we enjoy that. We look forward to that for the holidays where we can all be together as one. And COVID just really took the joy out of everything almost. Almost. But I don't even know what to say now. It really zapped it, didn't it? You know, it changed. It wasn't just my family, all of your families. It changed everything, which really sucked. So I'm going to get my palette. Enough about my little ranting over COVID. I'm going to get my very translucent. I'm going to start dabbing. Get you enough on here. I should have a palette out, so I'm going to do this off camera. Tap, tap, tap. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this little twinkle and sparkle of this, but it's there, and it's really pretty. So I'm going to go in with the small end of my dotting tool for some eyes. There we go. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. How did I do this before? We got this going on. We got our dotting tool. I should put a black cat on as well right now. I don't know how this is going to work because I've never... Oh boy. I've never done a hat. Never. This is a first for me. Okay, we'll go with that. We'll stick with that one. So, let me look at my boy. I need a scarf. A scarf. There we go. Here's her scarf, her eyes, her hat. We are going to pop her in the lamp. Get her secure. We're almost finished. Almost finished. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think so far. Have you ever done snowmen, snowwomen before? And how did yours turn out? If you are doing any nail art as such on Instagram, you can tag me in it, just that nailed it. Let me see what you're doing. I'd appreciate that. That'd be pretty cool. So yeah. Oh, we are going to put some snow around her too. I forgot about that. We got to have snow falling. It's just the thing to do. So let me get this bag out of the lamp. Remove some snow. Okay, we'll put it back in. Let it finish curing. And I think I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back, fresh out of the oven. Let me see, we can do the nose now. Gotta give her a nose. Hope you can see that. What else? What else? Oh, we gotta give her some arms. Gotta have some arms. And I know they're just twigs, but she's gotta have them. Okay. I think we're gonna put this in for another flash cure. We're gonna top coat and put the buttons on as well as the bow. For the bow, I'm going to use my Infinite nail glue. This is for your tips and such. And I really, really like it a lot. I'm gonna stick this somewhere. So, and this bonds pretty well almost instantly. Excuse me. Love, love, love this product. It's a good one. I found it on Amazon. If I remember, and please don't hold me to it. I will try to get the link and put it in the description box if I remember. If I remember. So, we're on day 3 of 12 Days of Christmas. Tomorrow is, oh yes, Christmas pudding. Please stay tuned for that. That is my very first attempt. That is not something of US. This is something of the UK. It is a dessert. And it just looks so, 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 so yummy. So I'm going to really try my best at that one. I hope I do okay. I hope I do them proud with my US version. Pumpkin will have to tell me if I did okay or not. Because I just don't know. I'll practice it tonight, film it, you know, later on after that. Later, you know, because I like to film in the wee hours of the morning. So... definitely the wee hours of the morning. Right now it is like 5:30 in the morning. Everybody is asleep. I'm the only one up in the house. But lately, you know, I'm filming a lot more, so it's sporadic when it could be the middle of the day. It's hard to say right now when I'm going to film. That's when I like to do it. Whoopsie. Well, should have made her body just a little bit longer. Huh. I thought I had compared to the boy, but I guess not. So she's got 3 sections, and yeah, he's got 3 sections too, so. But I'm going to pop this in the lamp. Give it a full cure. So those buttons in here, if I was actually wearing these, I would put them on with the glue, the nail glue. And since I'm not, I'm just using regular top coat. But if you're the type to wear the gems, the crystals, the Swarovskis, you might want to use, they do have something specifically for it. I can't think of the name of it right now. It's like a goop. It's like a builder gel type of deal where it'll hold on your product, your crystals and your gems. I'm gonna use the nail glue, so I'm gonna, yeah, I might get it open. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. I don't know where to put stuff. I have Christmas stuff all over. "12 Days of Christmas. 12 Days of Christmas." I'm going to put the glue on. Oh shoot, I put the bow away. That's not too brilliant. Sorry for reaching in front of the camera. By the time I get here, it's gonna be dry. There we go. So I'm gonna let this sit here for a memento. I guess I'll hold it up and show you my girl and my boy for 3rd day of Christmas. Out of my 12 days of Christmas. I think these turned out really cute. I really like them a lot. Some easy peasy nail art. You could even do these on the kids, the girls, you know what I mean. So, there rounds up our 12 days of, not our 12 days, day 3 of 12 days of Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you stayed with me and watched it in full. Leave me a comment if you did. Leave me add to it and let me know what you think. Subscribe. The end of the month I may have a giveaway with the lamp and some mini little poly gels that I was blessed with. I'll have to wait and see how that goes. But for now, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.